This is going to be the follow-up video to us downsizing our luggage. We went from a full-size luggage to a mid-size luggage by, what's this thing called?
AnyZip.
AnyZip. And we went from two relatively large-size carry-on bags to the one Rip Curl Featherlight carry-on bag. Now, we did check our carry-on bag and obviously our luggage. We did the free check on because you know at airports they always ask you if you want to check your carry-on bag for free because the flight's too full and they don't have enough space, yada 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 yada, right? Love this carry-on bag. However, you cannot stuff it because it I can't even show you, but it puffs out a little too much that it almost looks like the same size as our mid-size luggage. So we can't stuff it, but it does have a lot of space available. And I love the fact that it's kind of hard. Well, it's hard on the bottom and then it's soft on the top. So I can put things in there that I'm not too worried about it getting fully squished because the more valuable stuff goes on the hard side and our clothes more go on the top side of the luggage. We did check it and literally no damage. So I'm super impressed. I really am, because I thought there was going to be some sort of rip or, discoloration or something, because we've all seen those horrific videos where they just toss your luggage under the plane and then, don't really care about it. But this took a beating and it survived. So goodbye. The only thing I don't like is I can't stuff it completely, but c'est la vie, right? We still have our personal bags that I can put my valuable stuff in. So all we really put in there was shoes and, socks and underwear. So it was fine. The mid-size luggage fit what we needed it to fit. We did bring a garment bag with us, but that was strictly for our formal clothes because we didn't want it to get all wrinkled up and we didn't want to roll or do anything like that. So this was just our day-to-day stuff, which was awesome. It did take a little bit of scuff marks, but the wheels being out as far as they are, absolutely no real damage. So, we got a little bit of a scuff mark there, but all in all, this luggage really held up. I'm very happy with it. This is the first time we've had a hard luggage because our other one was extremely soft. So I'm really impressed that it didn't break. So even though we went to a smaller size luggage, just one carry-on and our garment bag, we didn't really sacrifice anything that we wanted to bring. Everything was still able to come with us. And I also love the fact that in these two items is that they're actually fully separated. So I have my side, Cobe side, my side, Cobe side in both, which made it so much easier to kind of go around and just open up and be like, hey, get what you need from your side, I get what I need from my side. The reason I say this is because on our last big luggage and on our last carry-ons, it was just one big space. So all of our stuff was kind of mixed-matched and we always had to take everything out, see what it was, and it was just very frustrating. So the fact that everything is separated makes traveling so much easier and way less headaches and way less did you pack this? Is it on my side? Where is this thing and where is that? Because that's gonna happen, right? Cobe couldn't find his hairbrush to save the longest time and was like, where's my hairbrush? I'm like, I don't know. It was just so much stuff into one big space. And I love the fact that it's completely separated and now he's responsible for his own side and I'm responsible for mine. So way less fighting. We don't fight though. If you've been contemplating downsizing, I say do it, right? Just make sure that you have 2 different compartments, for everyone to kind of have their own space and you're not just scrambling around trying to find everything. And if you haven't yet, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and become a member.